Oh my, okay. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. I am a stay-at-home mom. I'm a wife. I have a daughter. Her name is Luna, so I am a girl mom. And so yeah, today we are here at Target and I need to get her some new clothes because she's just getting bigger. She's 18 months and so it's fall season. I figured I should just do some kind of fall haul for her clothes. So you guys can check out and see what kind of things that I'm gonna get for her, give you guys some ideas. I swear I am at Target every other day spending money. So I need to like use a lot of discounts, but yeah, I'm excited to share with you some things that I find here. If you like this kind of content, please like and share, and let's get into this video. Your shoes. Yeah? Hi. Okay, and we are back after spending time. We are back. I got my pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks. So I'm so excited to share with you what I got. I got a lot of t-shirts, pants, some Halloween stuff, so let's check it out. Ready to go, huh? You ready? You did good though. Uh-oh, you did good. Okay, you guys, we are back. I have a red lip. I changed my clothes. The baby's sleeping and I am trying to do this haul right before she wakes up. Okay, anyways, let's get into this haul. So I told my husband the other day, like, you know, Luna needs new clothes. It's fall, she's growing. She is 18 months, about to be 19 months on the 23rd. And so a lot of her clothes, they're getting small. Now she wears 24 months. Yeah. This girl is growing. She's at the 95th percentile in height. So I figured let's just get her some clothes, and yeah, I got excited thinking, oh, I'm just gonna buy her clothes at Target. Let's get it. So I'm going to show you the shirts that I bought. I got these shirts where it's like $5 to $7, and I swear I almost bought like the whole section. This is the first shirt. It says, love you more. This is so cute to wear with pants or shorts. Leggings. This is a size 2T, so I bought all of these clothes are size 2T. This is $7. The next one, oh wait, no, so a few of these shirts are 2T and 3Ts. So this one is a 3T, and this one is $4.50. I love the Cat and Jack brand. Oh my gosh, they have so many cute things that's affordable. This is another one. It's burgundy, the crayon. This is a size 3T and it's $4.50. Yeah, all of these shirts are $4.50. This another one. I love this mustard color and the message, dreams come true. I like that message. I like positive affirmation messages on her shirts. And another flower shirt. I love mustard yellow, my favorite. Definitely a fall vibe. This is another one. It has a sparkly detail. It's like a burgundy color, and it says 3T. How cute. This one has a little fox on it. Really, really cute. Love the color. I love hearts, really pretty. Another heart shirt. I love hearts. And I like a lot of neutral colors. I'm not very big on like rainbow color clothes. I like to keep it neutral and well, not too many designs. But I like to style her hair with bows and things like that. So I like to try to match what she has already. And so that I'm not, you know, buying things like buying shorts that are like super colorful and I don't have anything else that matches it. So when I do go shopping, I like to buy things that, you know, if they're pants, I can match them with any type of shirt I have, or most of the shirts that match together, because I've done that where I buy like a shirt and I don't have pants for it, and then it's like I'm wasting an outfit. So yeah, it's another shirt, these cute little apples. Let's get on to the pants. I got her some leggings and some jeans. These were $5. They had jean material, pink, blue, and some different pattern ones, and they're really cute. This is a 2T. Yeah, a 2T. These will be kind of long, but I could be wrong. It's just crazy how I think, you know, the clothes will be too big for her and then they fit her and I'm like, oh my God, you're growing. And then these are another burgundy jeggings. I would say jeggings. And these are $7. It's a size 3T. They got pockets in the back. They're very stretchy. Well, if some of you know, I live in Florida and right now it's September. It's still hot, so she will still be wearing shorts and some dresses, but I just wanted to buy some pants just in case it gets cold. I don't think it's gonna get cold soon. Maybe like around November, December-ish. But I like to be prepared because I remember last year I would keep waiting and waiting and then items sold out in Target. Buy things now while it's there instead of trying to find pants for her last minute or jackets. Look at these shorts. They have a cute little rainbow design and cloud on the side. And this is a size 2T. It's $10 and they stretch. It's like an adjuster inside. I've never used these adjusters. Oh, they make them tighter. Oh, so when you pull on it, it makes the shorts tighter if it's too big. So yeah, they're very stretchy. I like the quality of these clothes. Like, I have a lot of clothes that I bought from Target and oh my God, her closet is full of her old clothes. I really need to get rid of it. We're gonna send some things to Cuba too, but I don't know how long it's gonna be because her room is like, half of her closet is full of old clothes that don't fit her. And I don't like clutter and like they need to go. These clothes need to go. Another jegging, same as the burgundy ones, but these are gray. It's a size 2T. And then I got some jeans. These are so cute. These little heart print on here. These are like the skinny adjustable waist, super stretch. And yeah, they have the adjustable waist on here. And I got another, oh, these are jeggings? I thought these are jeans. I guess they are jeggings, but they're like jeans. Well, duh. Right? Anyway, yeah, they feel very soft, very stretchy. These were $10 too. This is the ultimate stretch, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's more stretchy than the other ones. These are super cute. So I got a little set, a 2-piece set. This set is so cute. It reminds me of October with the little stripe design, the color, and the jean top. This set was how much? $14.99. And yeah, she can wear these with her boots and a bow. Oh my god, I can't wait for fall. Oh my god, I love fall. I love pumpkin. I'm actually drinking my Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. And last but not least, I got her this little Halloween mini set. So cute. I can't believe like I'm looking at this. She's not a This is a size 2T, $14.99. Super cute. Hair accessories with the outfit. Just because I don't know what we're gonna do for Halloween, most likely. Well, with COVID, we're just gonna stay home, but I just wanted to dress her up. I'll just put these together and take some photos. You guys will see it when I post it on Instagram. If you haven't followed me, you can find me on Instagram at Mrs. Michelle Gomez. And so those are all the items that I bought from Target today. I did buy some items from Pat for fall as well, so I will be doing another clothing haul for fall. Excited to see when those clothes will come in. I know they shipped a while ago, so I'd say I spent over $100 on these clothes. So another tip that I do is buy as she grows, meaning when she grows and the clothes don't fit her, that's when I start buying a whole bunch of t-shirts and shorts and pants. I don't buy so much to where like I have 50 pants and 50 shorts. For me, I just don't like wasting money like that. It's work. I mean, she's been at the house all the time, and with COVID, you know, I don't have a lot of like dresses and two pieces that she wears all the time anyways, and they grow so fast, and it's so true. I didn't believe it before when I was pregnant. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna buy her this and that, and just, you know, some of these clothes, these kid clothes can be expensive. And I'm not paying $40 for no set, like, no. So she can wear for like a month? I don't think so. So I like shopping at Target. I go to Walmart, Carter's when they have that Black Friday sale. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some ideas to head out to Target today. And if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe, and press that bell button for notifications so that you won't miss a video from me. Okay? And so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.